discuss about the reproductive events. The now starts the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system, it consists of pair of testes. The male reproductive system consists of pair of testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Okay, entire the male reproductive system, it consists of pair of testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Then now I will discuss one by one. The first one, the pair of testes. The first one, the testes is a primary male sex organ. The testis is a primary male sex organ. Why it is called as a primary male sex organ? Because it produces gametes. Okay. Testis ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? The testis, it produces male gametes, that is called sperms. It is called sperm. And also it secretes testosterone hormone. Okay, thus these testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch-like structure that is called scrotum anta karitivi. Okay, testes elli iruttappa antandre human beings alli the testes are situated in outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch-like structure that is called scrotum anta ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ scrotum ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? What is the importance of scrotum? Majorly it maintains the low temperature of the testis. Okay, nearly the 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than normal internal body temperature. Lower than normal internal body temperature. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ರಿಂದ 2.5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಟಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೀಡ್ ಆಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಟೋಜೆನಿಸಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಟೋಜೆನಿಸಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಟೋಜೆನಿಸಿಸ್? Genesis means formation. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperms. Sperm formation ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಟಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. This scrotum it communicates with the abdominal cavity through inguinal canal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Through inguinal canal. The scrotum it communicates with the abdominal cavity through inguinal canal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the testis is a primary male sex organ. Why it is called? Because it produces male gametes, are also called what? Sperms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Especially in adults, the testis is an oval in shaped structure. The testis is an oval in shaped structure ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, it nearly length the 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter width. Okay, the testis, especially in adults, the testis is an oval shaped in structure. Its length is in 4 to 5 centimeter and width is in 2 to nearly 3 centimeter. And the entire testis is covered by some layers. Okay, one is called outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. Outer layer is called tunica vaginalis anta karitivi. Outer layer is called tunica vaginalis anta karitivi. The second one, middle layer, is called tunica albuginea anta helbittu ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The third one is called tunica vasculosa anta helbittu inner layer na ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Tunica vasculosa is an inner layer of the testis. The tunica albuginea, okay, it is in middle layer tunica albuginea, and the outer layer is called, you know, that tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis. This tunica albuginea is infolding. its thin foldings and to form a compartments. Each compartment is called lobules. That lobules is called testicular lobules ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Testicular lobules. Each lobules have nearly 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Then each lobules, it contains nearly 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Okay. Each seminiferous tubules. Okay. Each seminiferous tubules. So that here diagram. This is seminiferous tubules diagram. Okay. Each contains nearly 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Each seminiferous tubules is lined by a germinal epithelial cells. It consists of two types of cell. One is called male germ cell. Then another one is called Sertoli cells. Okay. Now that here the cuboid shaped structure is there. That is called male germ cell, and cone-like structure is there. This is called what? Sertoli cells. Yes, what is the function of a male germ cell and Sertoli cells? Okay, this is called male germ cells. This is called male germ cell. This is called Sertoli cells. Yes, what is the function of male germ cell? The male germ cell finally undergo meiosis. It forms sperms. It forms sperms. Okay, what is the meaning of meiosis? Meiosis means reduction of cell division. Why it is called as a reduction of cell division? The chromosome number reduces to half. The diplontic male germ cells undergo meiotic division. It finally produces haploid sperm. Then what is the function of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells means it gives the nourishment to the developing sperm. ಮೇಲ್ ಜರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಟೋಜೆನಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಟೋಜೆನಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸರ್ಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಫುಡ್ ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಸರ್ಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್? ನರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In between the seminiferous tubules, a space is there. Okay, that space is called interstitium anta navu idana karitiri. Okay, this space na navu enanta karitiri? Interstitium anta helbiಟ್ಟು navu idana karitiri. This interstitium have a blood vessels. Interstitium have a blood vessels and cells. That cells is called Leydig cells. These cells is called Leydig cells, are also called interstitial cells anta kariತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the function of Leydig cells ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it secrete testosterone hormone. Testosterone hormone ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. once again the testis is primary male sex organ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Why it is called as in primary male sex organ? Because it produces male gametes, that is called what? Sperm ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then the testis is situated outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch like structure, that is called what? Scrotum. What is the function of scrotum? It maintains the low temperature. It nearly the 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than normal internal body temperature. What is the function of scrotum? It helps for spermatogenesis. Okay, then the scrotum, it communicates with the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal anta kariತೀವಿ. Then the testis is especially adults, the testis is an oval shaped in structure and nearly the 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter in width anta kariತೀವಿ. The entire testis is covered by some layers. Okay, there are three layers are there. One is called outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. Outer layer is called tunica vaginalis, middle layer is called tunica albuginea, and inner layer is called tunica musculosa. Then tunica albuginea, the majorly divided into some compartments, that is called what? Testicular lobules. Nearly 250 compartments are there. Okay, each compartment is called testicular lobules. Each lobules contain 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules is lined by a germinal epithelial cells, and it consists of two types of cells. One is called male germ cells and Sertoli cells. The male germ cells undergo meiotic division. Finally it produces haploid sperm. What is the function of Sertoli cells? It gives the nourishment to the male germ cells. In between the two seminiferous tubules have some space is there, that is called what? Interstitium. That interstitium have some blood vessels and some cells. That cells is called what? Leydig cells or interstitial cells. What is the function of Leydig cells? It secretes testosterone hormone. Okay. The next session where to discuss about the accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia.